Hey guys, this is Jonathan with Izaguirre Mobile Detailing here in Powder Springs, Georgia, paint correction and ceramic coating specialist. And in today's video, we're actually going to be maintaining the ceramic coatings we applied to the rims and also to the glass and to the paint. And we're just going to get started here. First, we start off with addressing the wheels. And if you guys can see already, just the chemicals is already kind of beating off the rims. This kind of goes to show the ceramic coating protection that we applied to the rims. Super high quality, super durable, and will definitely help with the longevity of your rims or your paint or your glass. Super good stuff. And then we start into rinsing the paint and the entire vehicle, just taking off any dirt or debris that is on the vehicle before we get into the wash. Now for any bugs or tree sap that got onto the vehicle, just using a liberal amount of bug and tar removal on the front end, on the glass, windshield, and on the mirrors, just to let that sit. And now using the foam cannon to completely cover the vehicle in soap. And as you guys can see, the water is already, the soap rather, is already beating up off the paint. And again, just goes to show the level of ceramic protection that is on this vehicle. Now we offer a variety of ceramic coatings, starting from a 1-year ceramic coating to a 2 to 3 year ceramic coating, and then a 6-year ceramic coating and a lifetime ceramic coating. Now we also offer different levels of paint enhancement, paint correction, and normally when we're talking about all these terms, it could be confusing to the customer. So we like to talk to you guys one-on-one and actually get a good idea of the level of protection and the level of paint correction that you guys are looking for, so then we can kind of make a unique ceramic coating service that works for you and will also work with your budget. Now, a ceramic coating is actually the most durable protection you can put on your vehicle's paint. So if you guys are looking for long-term protection for your vehicle, a ceramic coating is definitely the way to go. We also coat rims and glass, which is also a viable option if you guys are looking to protect these areas as well. But nonetheless, if you guys are at all interested or have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding paint correction, ceramic coating, again, we like to talk to you guys one-on-one to make sure we are getting the service that you guys are looking for. But nonetheless, finishing up with this vehicle, drying up the paint, and then we're actually going to be applying a ceramic spray wax to the paint as well, just to get an even extra layer of protection onto this ceramic coating. The ceramic spray wax really complements the ceramic coating, so always good to put that on there when we are actually going and maintaining the vehicle, just part of this service that we like to add in there. And then in this last clip, we'll actually be showing you guys the final results. So nonetheless, if you guys are interested, our contact information is in the description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have yourselves a great rest of your day. Cheers.